So, how good is your completing the square? Well, we are going to find out today. We've got this practice question for you to have a go at. It's a little bit jumbled up, so let's see how we get on with it. Jot this down quickly, have a go, and I'll catch up with you in a few seconds. Right. Now let's see how you have done. The first thing I would do with this is, put the powers obviously in order. So maybe you would have minus 4x squared first, then take away 16x and then plus 3 on the end. This is the ideal format to have it in. And now I'm hoping that you've all remembered, you can't complete the square with, coefficient of x squared that is not 1. So that's no good. What we need to do is we need to get rid of this, somehow turn it into 1. And the way to do that is the magic word begins with F. We are going to factorize. Okay, so factorize this. We're taking minus 4 on the outside of just this part here. Let me highlight this for you. Just this over here. Okay, so factorize out minus 4 from that yellow bit only. So what have we got left? You take minus 4 out of there. You've got x squared and then plus and then 4x like that. And then leave the 3 just on the outside. Now what we can see is on the inside over here, we've got just an x squared with a coefficient of 1. And so we are ready to complete the square inside here only, okay? So the minus 4 on the outside stays that way. We're not touching that. But on the inside now, let's complete the square. So we'll have x, and remember we half the coefficient of x. So make it 2. Square it, take away, remember whatever number is in here, you take that away and square it. And then we are going to close our bracket and then pop that 3 back on the outside. So I'm hoping that's what you've got so far. Neaten it up a little bit. So we'll have that there. Let's get the red pen back out. We'll have x plus 2 squared, take away 4. And then close up the bracket. Bam, bam, plus 3. There we go. Now let's open up this bracket here times the minus 4 through there. So we will have minus 4, x plus 2, all squared. Minus 4 times minus 4, be careful, is going to be a positive 16. And then put the plus 3 back on the end. So then we end up with, there we go, squared, and then plus 19 over all. And that is what we were looking for. Brilliant. Okay, there we go. That's all we've got for today. Just one question there on completing the square, but a little bit more tricky than the first one that we did, or the first 2 that we had. So keep watching. I'll put out a couple more for you to practice. Completing the square is a very, very key skill, especially if you're going to do A-level maths. So keep practicing, and I'll see you again very soon.